guys, today it's Angel here and we're going to the football field to make some slime. Do you know what, guys? A Chinese tub, clean as a whistle, was in the bin, so I just got it out of the bin because I wanted to use it for some slime. Should we go and make it over there, Daddy? Come on.
Oh, it's Sunday. Daddy don't run on a Sunday, does he?
So, let's start making the slime. So, Daddy, first we need some glue.
Gloop? Do you mean glue?
Yeah, I always call it glue. I'm not putting the whole thing in.
Where's that glue from? Is that the one that we bought from the pound shop?
Yep.
Oh, that's enough. Because you have to carry it back.
Oh yeah. All of that slime carried back. At school, guys, like it's so, you need to do so much work. And Leo's in F2.
Put the can so it's facing down.
And he is so lucky. He gets to play all day, and I need to do work all day. How lucky is he?
Look at him, he's over there, look.
Hi, Leo.
Hi.
I want to be in it, and I don't like making slime.
You don't like making slime?
Mummy hates slime.
Who does?
Mummy hates slime.
Yeah, mummies don't like slime.
It gets everywhere. Paint. Okay, that's
What colour are you making this slime?
green.
Green slime.
Green like.
Look at Leo over there, look. He's just going round and round in circles. Leo! Hello!
Take that off.
Take the lid off. Yeah? Hold it there.
Okay. Okay, so now we've got the paint in. That much.
Oh, don't put too much in there, Angel.
I want my slime to be a bit light.
Leo, did you just fall off your bike? Let's see what he's doing over there, Angel.
This
Look at him.
is a lid one, not.
You don't want to make slime, Leo?
I don't like making slime.
You don't like slime, okay.
He wants to be in the video, but he doesn't like making slime.
Yeah, he don't like making slime, does he?
Look how nice that looks. Oh, that's such a nice colour. Okay, so guys, I'm still mixing it until there's no white bits. Look how pretty that looks. It looks turquoise, and that's my second favourite colour. Guys, we're going to do a video about our chickens because we got them on Friday and it was so cool.
What's your chicken called, Angel?
Rose. That much?
I think you need more than that. I think you need a lot more activator than that one. Look.
Okay.
A little bit more.
Okay.
Is that enough?
No.
Look at Leo. Meow. And where have you been? Round the block? Meow. He's so fast, Angel, isn't he? On that bike.
Faster than him.
You're faster on the bike.
This will never work, this slime. Look at it.
I think it might. I think we just ain't got enough activator.
Can you mix it, Daddy?
What, the slime?
Look at that, all the activators mixed in. Look at that.
Okay. You pour the activator in while I mix it.
I think I can mix it now.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah? Look, he's over there now. Come back over. Come back over here, baby Leo. I don't.
Can he go in that field?
You want to go in that field? Okay, go on then. Go in the field then. Do you want me to pour the activator in?
Yeah. That's enough.
Okay.
I don't know what I can tell you.
About what you want for Christmas?
I don't. Do you know about Ella? Do you know that Oh, I don't know if I'm allowed to tell you this, guys. And Daddy, you need to cover your ears
Why?
because this is a secret. Only those guys can know this.
Okay, go on. I'll put my finger. I'll put my fingers in my ears. Oh no, I'll do this. I'll do this. Yeah. So now I can't hear anything. Okay.
Okay. No, do that too.
Okay.
And I'll hold the camera.
Okay.
You're so funny. Watch, guys.
Go on then.
On December, I'm gonna get a LOL advent calendar. And my brother's getting nothing. What did I say?
Hey, Leah.
I speak really quiet.
No, what you said. So what do you want for Christmas then?
The LOL house.
LOL house.
It's 180 £180.
Is it? Leo, no, don't, because we won't be able to get in the garage if you throw that away. That's the garage key.
I'm just playing cats.
It's playing catch. I think you're trying to lose it.
I'm throwing it around.
So you want to get an LOL house?
Yeah.
What else? Go get it, Lily.
I want.
What about some Lightning McQueen toys?
No, there we go. I want some Lightning McQueen toys.
You want Lightning McQueen toys? What about some of Tiana's toys?
No. Her dad is so mean.
Oh.
So that's why I'm not getting any head toys.
Why don't you like her dad?
Because he blocks us off YouTube. How mean is that?
Yeah. You mean the video? You mean the video where we was going to do a prank at the meet and greet and somebody reported us to YouTube?
Yeah. I think this is never ever.
We weren't even allowed to put a video on YouTube for 2 weeks.
In all the same because this is definitely not working.
Sloppy.
A bubble.
It's a slime bubble, Angel. Do you want me to hold the tub?
Oh, ugh.
Shall I hold it?
Yeah. This is disgusting.
It looks like I've got nail varnish on. Angel,
Yeah.
you're getting more on my fingers than you are anywhere. Angel. You got it? Got the garage key?
Yeah.
Good lad. Bring it back then. Angel, look at the sky. Look at the sky, guys. Do you know we're supposed to get some snow soon?
Yeah.
Did you know that? Leo, you could ride your motorbike in the snow.
Yeah.
Shall I put a video on this video of you riding your motorbike?
Yeah.
Yeah, I will do. Don't throw that kid. Leo! Angel is so naughty.
Is he?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, for Christmas, you're going to get an LOL doll's house, you think? What else is there to get for Christmas, Angel, if you want a LOL house? Poopsies? Poopsies?
Yeah.
What's a poopsie?
You make slime. It's slime.
Oh, Leo, you might lose that garage key.
I mean, we can't get back in our house.
No, we can't get back in our house.
Well, we could go the front way.
Go through the front?
Yeah.
Yeah, we could.
Daddy, you don't need to mix anymore. I'll mix.
I know. Do you think we need a bit more activator in there? Just a little drop.
Yeah. I'll put it in because I've got a spare hand.
Okay. That's not enough.
Okay.
That wasn't like a drop. Go get the remote, Leo.
I've got some.
Leo, I bet you're going to lose that. Look, you don't know where you've thrown it now, do you? Oh, Angel, if he loses the garage key, that means we won't be able to get in our house. We live in these houses down this road like this, and we won't be able to get in because we've come through the garage, haven't we?
Well, I know a good idea.
What?
If he throws that key,
Look, he's lost the key. Look, he can't find it.
If he loses that,
Where is it?
if he can't find it, I know it.
No.
I know where it is.
I better mix it. I better keep mixing this slime. Bring the key back here, Leo, because we don't want to lose it now because it's getting dark outside.
I know which way we could Good.
Yeah, I know, but the problem is we won't be able to open the garage door to put your bike away. No, don't throw it anymore, Leo.
Oh.
Let's leave it because it's getting really dark. Have you told everybody you've got a new motorbike?
No. Dad, I've got a new motorbike, but it's broken.
Yeah, the back wheel thing's broke, so I'm going to take it to work tomorrow and fix it.
I think that's going to make me ready.
Whoa.
And this is not as stretchy.
It is stretchy.
It isn't.
Look at it. That's really stretchy.
That's not how you play with slime.
What do you do then?
You do this. Look at that. Do you think this is playing with slime?
Yeah.
That is playing with slime.
I think that's playing with slime.
Guys, do you think? Comment down below. Put a smiley emoji. Put the smiley's emoji if you think that is wrong.
What? To play with slime like this?
Yeah. Is that wrong, guys? Comment down below. I think that might be wrong. Or do you think this is right? Or do you think this is right?
It's not broken. You just can't ride it very well.
No, it is. This is a really nice colour.
Go on then, ride it then. There's our friend in his mini.
Mini car. It's called Frankie.
Yeah, he's called Frank.
Frankie.
No, just Frank.
No, Frankie.
Well, you can't just give him a new name.
Yeah, I can.
I know, Angel, guys, at home, why don't they leave a comment of what they want for Christmas? Because if Father Christmas read it.
Type your name and then we'll check it out. And if you do that, we'll give you a shout out.
Yeah. So leave a comment down below what you want for Christmas. It might be some. I wonder if they might want computers or something. Or do you think everybody wants an LOL house? Do you know them LOL houses are...
Comment down below LOL house if you want one. Well, I really want one.
What's that noise? Oh, look at that.
Why you know?
It's. Do you know why, Angel? Because we live in the ghetto.
The ghetto? What's the ghetto? It's coming back.
What's the ghetto?
Yeah.
It's where people ride motorbikes on the road and everything.
Right, comment down below, guys, how old you are.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, how old are you guys? So type in your name and then how old you are.
Yeah, and how old are you, Angel?
6.
And what year at school?
Year 2.
And how old are you, Leah?
4.
And what year are you in at school?
F2.
F2. So you two guys are really young, really.
I'm not.
Well, you're only 6, Angel. You're 6 and you're making YouTube videos.
How is 13?
Your sister?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's 13, isn't she?
Right, you guys, if you comment down below that, and we'll shout out someone, and we'll try to find one really good squishy for you guys.
Oh, you're going to give a squishy away?
One of mine.
I don't know why people like squishies, really.
Why?
They don't do anything, do they?
So, Daddy, we're going to Smith's today.
You won't be able to go today, it's Sunday, and it's about 6 o'clock, it's really late.
Well,
you need to go to bed really early for school, and you, really early to bed.
No, we're going to bed right now.
Daddy's really...
Go to sleep.
No, Daddy's going to bed really late because I was awake all night watching boxing. That means I had to stay awake really late.
Go to sleep right there.
Angel and Leah are going to sleep really early. They're going to sleep really early.
No. Go to bed. Go to bed.
No.
Go to bed.
They're going to bed really early.
They're
going to bed really early.
Go to bed. Lay down and go to
Ah!
Go to bed.
No, you two are going to bed really early because you're such good children. And it's school tomorrow. He's got my cheeky neck.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I have to go to shop down my room. I'll let you go if you give us 80p. That's not 80p.
Right, say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. I hope you liked the video.
Bye.
Don't forget to leave a comment what you want for Christmas. Oh.